Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta delicious using an easy method. We'll focus on simple steps and quality ingredients to create a truly satisfying meal. Starting with the right foundation is crucial for a flavorful dish. Select a good quality dried pasta, ideally made from 100% durum wheat semolina, and fresh, ripe tomatoes for your sauce. These choices make a significant difference. Next, let's cook the pasta perfectly. Always use a large pot, at least 6 quarts, filled with plenty of water. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt per gallon of water. It should taste like the sea. Bring the water to a rolling boil before adding your pasta. Cook it until it's al dente, meaning firm to the bite, usually for 8 to 12 minutes, depending on the shape. This ensures a delightful texture. Now, for a simple yet incredibly flavorful sauce. In a pan, gently sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and a pinch of chili flakes in about 2 tablespoons of good olive oil until fragrant. Then, add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and let it simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Remember to reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta cooking water before draining. Finally, let's bring it all together. Drain your al dente pasta and immediately add it directly to your simmering sauce. Toss everything together vigorously for about 1 minute, adding a splash of that reserved pasta water if the sauce seems too thick. It helps create a silky texture. Finish with a generous handful of fresh basil leaves, a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for an exquisite touch. Enjoy your delicious homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.